When we're in a startup, the CEO knows everyone and their families and their pets' medication. We know everything about everybody in the organization. As we get a little bit bigger, we no longer know those pet prescriptions. But all employees are maybe not known by the CEO, but at least someone on the leadership team can connect and knows every employee. We get a little bit bigger. Senior leadership team no longer knows all employees by name. We might recognize them, but we're starting to get a little bit bigger. We get larger. There are now teams and departments the CEO has not met. We get even bigger. There are entire companies that have not met the CEO. Now, that might sound strange to you, but I've got clients in that situation, parent companies. And you work with a frontline organization that was acquired 2 or 3 times. They're not connected to the CEO. Their influence in terms of the culture is not directly felt in their offices and those types of things. And so it's an interesting way to start thinking about when do you think it's easiest to start shaping the employee experience. It's easier to start sooner. It's a little bit more difficult or exponentially more difficult as we get larger and larger. It doesn't mean it's not worth doing and focusing on, but just recognizing we have an opportunity the sooner we start, it's going to be better for us as we try to improve and influence. And also, as we start to think of the scale of our company, we might have to focus in different areas and focus at different divisional levels and things like that. This is a quote from Clayton Christensen, who we lost recently, but was a brilliant thinker. And just had a real unique way about looking at business complexity and simplifying and creating models. He has this quote, and I'm going to read before this starts, because it ties into that growth. As companies grow from a few employees to hundreds and thousands, the challenge of getting all employees to agree on what needs to be done and how it should be done so that the right jobs are done repeatedly and consistently can be daunting for even the best managers. Culture is a powerful management tool in these situations. Culture enables employees to act autonomously and causes them to act consistently. So we want to create culture that invites people to engage. We want you to bring your best self to this work. And we invite you to bring more of your energy, your discretionary efforts, all your ideas. We want you to engage in this. That's one of the reasons we need to get the experience right. The other is this. It's the salmon story from Danny Meyer's restaurant. We need people to know how to behave even when there's not a script for them. And this culture enables employees to act autonomously and causes them to act consistently.